The average person took on about $1,200 in debt this past holiday season. Almost half surveyed said it would take about 5 months or longer to pay off. Financial advisor Tom Neumann from Drake & Associates joins us with 5 ways to spring clean your finances. So I'm not good at numbers at all. That's why I'm in journalism and you're in finance.
Sure.
But we'll start with number 1 and number 2 together. Sweep over spending habits and catch up on late payments.
Yeah, absolutely. So sweeping up your spending habits really means budgeting. What does that look like? So when we have a budget, we really want to focus in on the expense portion of it. You know, a lot of excess spending happens out of habit. So if we can target some of those habits, make a change on those habits, we're able then to create a little bit excess cash for ourselves. So then it's, what do we want to do with that excess cash, right? So that leads to point number 2, or tip number 2, which is spending down your debt. We all have some form of debt. Maybe it's short term, maybe it's long term, but really if we want to take a whole look at our picture for debt, we want to chip away at that slowly.
Okay, and number 3 is brush up on your retirement goals.
Yeah, absolutely. So every single day I speak with customers who are fearful and concerned about whether or not they actually saved enough for retirement. So once we create this pool of additional assets that we have, consider contributing to an IRA, a traditional IRA, a rollover, a Roth, and you can contribute up to $6,000 for 2019. If you're 50 years old or older, you can contribute at least another $1,000. But whatever you contribute, definitely look for working with a financial advisor that focuses on this specific area and stage of life, and that's what we do at Drake & Associates.
Number 4, tidy up your accounts.
Yeah, absolutely. This is all about beneficiaries. So unfortunately, at some point, we're all going to pass away. So really establish the beneficiaries on your financial accounts so that the individuals that you really want to inherit your assets are the ones that do.
So if your ex-wife is on there,
yeah, you definitely want to get rid of that.
then it will go to the ex.
Exactly. So you don't want that. You know, whether it's family members, kids, you know, whomever, definitely get that in order.
All right, we have like 20 seconds.
Sure.
Yes, so take out trash and go digital.
Yeah, really, obviously, our financial documents add up over time. So really taking a look at the ones that you really need or the ones that you can get rid of. For a complete list of what you can and should get rid of, you can go to my website, which is wealthwisconsin.com. That's wealthwisconsin.com.
All right, well, thank you so much. I really appreciate your time.
Thank you very
You
much.
did such a great job in such a short time span. So this is Tom Neumann from Drake & Associates. Thanks for waking up with us.
Thank you.